Wow, what is it?
Get me.
It's a minion.
Santa brought you that.
Santa brought it for you? You like it? Yeah? Awesome. Well, here, open up the rest of the stuff you got. Let's see. Look, open this up. Open it up.
He's going sound asleep.
What is it?
It's ears.
It's gears. Yeah, but look, what does it make?
That game.
Yeah, but what is this?
This driver.
It's a choo-choo train. All right. You like it?
Yep.
Yeah?
Wait, I got more.
It's okay. You can get the little pieces off later, baby. That's fine.
I want to play this.
Okay, well, you got to keep opening.
Oh, look.
Yeah, I know.
What about this?
That's just the batteries, baby.
I want a bit.
It's just the batteries, love. Open up the rest of it.
What about this one?
I don't know. Open it up and find out.
This a card. And this is ears.
Yeah, more gears.
And then, wait,
Here, pull it from the back.
a back.
Right, right here.
You like what Santa's brought you? Yep.
Santa brought you so much good stuff. All right. Yay.